Good afternoon, class. So today is 27th of June. The first news related to the government have raised alert on the Delta Plus variant. So epidemiological correlations have found the Delta Plus is more transmissible. It is stronger binding to the receptors of the lung cell, and it is a potential uh, reduction in the monoclonal antibody response. So therefore, the vaccine that you have been administered will be less effective, it will be more transmissible, and it will be more binding to the receptors, that is the spike protein receptors. So this is a warning that has been issued by the government with regard to the Delta Plus, and it has been hoped that the third wave will be occurring because of the Delta Plus. I hope it does not happen, but we will again have to wait what will happen in the near term, and therefore we have to keep our guards on. We have to remain vigilant, protective, and also prevent any person or educate persons who have been not following the COVID norms, specifically with regard to the hills where the influx of the tourists have come at a huge pace. So I hope this is clear. The next one is Omar seek delimitation statehood before election. So this is the same demand that Umar Abdullah have said. Umar Abdullah, what he's saying? He's saying that is to the statehood, then there is a delimitation that could happen, and this delimitation should be ensuring the correct number of seats and the representation that are needed to be in the assembly. One more thing, please see the article. I am giving you a hint. It is situated somewhere between Article 80 to Article 85, and if you go to the state, it will be situating between Article 170 to Article 180. There is a provision for delimitation commission. Read that particular article, although it is not important, but just have an idea that where this particular article is, because it will be beneficial for you to understand. Okay, and please read the article directly from the Constitution of India. Okay, both for the center from Article 80 to Article 90 or maybe 92. इसी के आसपास होगा. I am not very sure of it. And the second is 170 to 180. उसी के बीच में आपको डिलिमिटेशन कमीशन का आर्टिकल मिलेगा, तो उसको पढ़िएगा एक बार. व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ द डिलिमिटेशन कमीशन एंड फ्रॉम वेयर द डिलिमिटेशन कमीशन बेसिकली ड्रॉज इट्स पावर. And the next one is the Army Aviation raises tempo in operation along LAC. Now, what is this? Please remember, for surveillance, India has been keeping up drones now. There are different kind of drones that are being built. There are drones who can remain in air for a larger period of time. There are induction of modern choppers because the fleet of Cheetah and Chetak helicopters are basically declining. And when we talk about the Army, 90 what is the meaning of ALH? Advanced light helicopters have been procured, and 75 Rudra helicopters are being in service indigenously. So these are being used by Army for the surveillance in the Ladakh area and the region around the eastern border. Why we need to ramp up infrastructure? Because of the imminent threat that is posed by the Chinese authorities. So we have to keep an vigil, and right now we are procuring the drones who can also work at night and can also locate any activity on the basis of the sensors and the other things at night. इसलिए we are procuring it. The next news is India-Greece seeks respect for territorial integrity. Now please remember, first of all, where Greece is located. You have to see, and why Greece is supporting India. Everything in international politics is basically related to one cause or another. About international politics, it has been said that there are no permanent friends, no permanent enemies, only permanent interests. Now Turkey is supporting Pakistan. Turkey has also been provided an active role with regard to the maintenance of a particular airfield in the region of Afghanistan. So Turkey is making inroad into the Central Asia. Now there will be problem for India in the near future if they come to Central Asia. So what India is doing? India is using Cyprus and Greece and Italy. I hope you remember the dispute. There is a small island Cyprus. This Cyprus island is located in the Mediterranean Sea. Half of it has been claimed by Greece, half of it has been claimed by Italy, and some part of it has been claimed by Turkey. Map पे जाके देखिएगा, you will know. Already we have discussed about it. Although the island is not so important because the island have nothing sort of facilities or minerals that are available over it, but the area that is surrounding that particular economic zone, as we call exclusive economic zone. So the gas fields and the oil and petroleum that has been found in the near or neighborhood of the Cyprus is interest to all the three countries. So therefore we are cooperating with Greece. And what is the cooperation we are going to have? We are going to have cooperation on sovereignty and territorial integrity. Why? Because China is exploiting the territory of India, and Greece is also complaining that Turkey is exploiting the territory of India. So ME's statement indirectly refers to the role of Turkey, but we have not directly defined that this is a signal to Turkey. Okay, so that is how the international politics or the international relations are being framed. You poke into my back, I will poke into yours. This is what how the traditional policy of international politics is currently happening here. इसको ध्यान रखिएगा. अच्छा, इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा. Why does Jammu Kashmir delimitation matter? It is an article only explainer, so I don't think there is a need to explain it. The next one is export oppose decision to open Corbett and Rajaji Park around the year. First of all, where the Corbett and Rajaji Park situated? They are situated in the territory of Uttarakhand. Now, in Uttarakhand, there have been a provision by the central government that the zoos, parks and the wildlife sanctuaries are needed to be opened because the finances of these particular facilities have slumped on their head. Now, when we talk about that, there had to be income generation, but this income generation can be very well referred to as a cruelty to the animals, as has been said by the activists or the wildlife experts. So they have asked the government to stop this particular thing and take a conscious decision with regard to the maintenance, and also looking for an alternatives that could provide a balance both for the income and also for the preservation of the animals or the life of the animals. So I hope this is clear. The next one is US will continue to back up Afghanistan. Of course, they have said that, but they don't meant it. They are exiting, and they have said that they will support, they will train. Mr. Joe Biden have basically make a statement that is a clear-cut indication that they had no further role to play in the state of Afghanistan, but still they will be keeping a back-end support if there is a situation that got worst or that got out of hand. Now, I am telling you today, I think on 27th of June, sooner or later, Russia and China will be forming a coalition for the stability in Afghanistan, and America will have no role to play in Afghanistan. India, because of the compulsions, because it cannot ignore the things that are happening or the realities that are happening on the ground in Afghanistan, will be forced to join the Russia and the China's coalition, because it does not make sense if you are away from the regional activities. And over the time, the role of USA will also going to decline in the Central Asia, and they will be more concerned with regard to the China and how the rise of China is happening. So I hope this is clear. So I think the pragmatic approach with regard to the Indian issues is that we go along with Russia. Russia can always act as a balancing power if China want to become hegemonic or assertive with regard to the discussion and the negotiations that will be happening. But India have to join the regional role that will be played by China and Russia in the near future. I don't know when it will be coming, but it will be coming, I think, very soon, just about in September or November or even before that. So within 1 or 2 months, you will be seeing a coalition in Afghanistan to bring stability and peace, minus the USA and the intervention of the United States of America. So I hope this is clear. The next news is clues from meteorite to earth mantle. इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा. Why bacteria develop multi-drug resistance, इसको भी पढ़ लीजिएगा. Blindness burden in India, this is important. Only for the fact that how much people are blind in India and what are the things that are needed. Although the numbers are not important, but you should have a clear idea that there are approximately 1.5 billion people which will be partially, fully or in the need of spectacles in the world. So out of the 10 billion population, approximately 1.5 billion would be the persons who will be needing artificial mean to correct their vision. So I think a lot of people you will know जिनको चश्मा लगा होगा, तो that is the same thing that is happening here. And so I think that is it for here. The next one is the reneging in the Big Four. Now what is this? And this is the US House of Representative Committee which have basically voted to advance the 6 bills outlining businesses practices of Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Apple. Now, what happened over here? Please remember, these companies have grown so big that they are able to basically buy any business that they like, and therefore what they were doing, they were promoting their own products that they have built. The searches from the Google were also showing the searches that are sold on the any facility that is contained by the Google. So they had your data, they had all the facilities and the needs that basically they must acquire in providing you better facilities. So that is what they have been doing. Earlier, what has been happening, that the options, or if you search anything, so for example, if you search on Amazon, let's say you want to have a smart bulb. If Amazon is producing smart bulb, the first recommendation that you will get in the option is the Amazon smart bulb. Now that is a practice, that is the misuse of the market control. Therefore, a law has been passed against the core of the tech companies, that you will not discriminate among the persons who have been basically selling products on your platform. And if there is a dismissal of a particular app or any particular issue, there should be proper reasoning with regard to keeping safeguards for the particular country or the sovereignty where they are operating. इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा. अच्छा, ED transfer of defaulter asset to PSPs, इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा, important नहीं है. Although it is a reality check that how much the assets are costed and how much they are basically projected. तो इसको छोड़ दीजिए भी. I will tell you in the later part of economics, because before understanding the PSP issue, you have to understand what is SWIFT, and after that you also have to understand how these are operated, how the fraud are being committed, what are the options that are in front of the bank to basically recover the money that they have lost in the loan. Whether it comes to NPA, how much capital is being raised, or how much they will be requiring or they will be expecting to service it. So, ये तब का बात है. Next one is Jet Airways revival plan get NCLT clearance. So, National Company Law Tribunal have basically given a clearance to the Jet Airways with regard to the selling of the assets, and there will be some other interest, or this will be sold to some other company, not country, with regard to the management and the other things that are required. Now, when we talk about pandemic, the domestic demand have decreased of Jet Airways, and 140 million, there were 53 million users from 140 million. So 14 crore people traveled by aeroplanes in fiscal year 20, and in fiscal year 21 only 53 crore traveled. So this led to the forcing of airlines to basically ground their 50 to 70% of the fleet, and therefore half empty planes were basically leading to major losses. So that is what has happened, and they now have been given NCLT clearances for selling and restructuring of a particular company. So the management will transfer. इसको जरूर पढ़िएगा. The Great Barrier of Travel in the danger. Please remember, there are coral reefs that are present over there, and this Great Barrier Reef is located on the eastern coast of Australia. It can only survive in a temperature range of 25 to 28 degrees Celsius, and these coral reefs are only found between 30 degree north and 30 degree south. Beyond that, you will not be finding any of the coral reefs because the temperature of the sea is very cold. You will only find that particular temperature between 30 degree north and 30 degree south. I hope you understand, because the surplus amount of sun energy is only received in that particular area. In some book it is only given at 25 degree north to 25 degree south. Okay. Now please remember, there is a coral bleaching that have happened. What does we mean by coral bleaching? If the temperature jumps beyond 28 degrees Celsius, the coral that is in symbiotic relationship with the zooxanthellines, they leave away. Okay? So उसकी वजह से the green color pigment that is present over there, they look like limestone. So that has been the case here. So उसको पढ़ लीजिएगा. The event has been increasing for 3 years. 2016, 17, and 2020 has been 3 years where we have seen the coral reef turning into limestone remains. So that is it for today, I think.